Thanks for tuning in. It's your boy, the Whiz Kid, aka Gadget Guru. And today I'm going to give you a crash course on how to operate or navigate Kodi XBMC. Let's get things started here. If you look at your main menu, as I scroll through my main menu, you'll notice that below each tab, about 4 or 5 thumbnails pop up. Each one of those thumbnails represents what we call an add-on. And an add-on is your source for all of your TV shows, your movies, your live sporting events, and even your pay-per-view events. So let's go to one of the most popular add-ons, Genesis here. Click on it. When you click on it, you show that out of Genesis, you can get movies, TV shows, different channels, latest movies, episodes. Let's check out movies. Click next. You'll notice that your movies are separated by genre, language, box office by year, people watching, most popular. I like to go to the most popular at my add-ons because it shows what most people are watching on that particular add-on. So you click on movies. You'll notice you got Jurassic World. You have Jurassic Park, Mad Max Fury, Spy. You scroll down. And you notice that at the bottom it shows you there's 26 different most popular items. There's 3 different pages. If you want to go to your next page, you just hit next. There, and it'll go to the next page of popular events or movies. You go through that. You can scroll down and just keep going to next. And then what you want to do is, if you want to watch whatever movie you want to watch, let's just say the Avengers, Age of Ultron, click on that icon there. You'll notice that it pulled up a list here. This list is a list of servers that are streaming this movie at this time. So you can see that if you scroll down these different links, that there's a bunch of different links that you can go to. So if one link is moving slow, or if one link is buffering or not working, you can always go through all the different links because all of these are connected to servers streaming this movie. Let's just try the top link here. You click on it, it says opening stream. That means it's connecting to the server that's streaming this right now. And you just wait for that. And then once that server is connected, the movie will start. You see it's working down in the bottom right hand corner and the play button down in the left. And here we go. Avengers, Age of Ultron, showing you the movie right now. The footer here. Then if you ever want to go to another screen or whatever, you always want to stop the movie. Just hit any button. It'll pop this up here. Go to your stop button. Hit it. And you're back to your links to the servers. Hit your back button. You see it's working. It'll take you back to your thumbnails. If you ever want to change the way you view the movies, you just click all the way to the left. You'll see that the little wing pops out and it says view by thumbnail. If you click your enter button or your next button on your remote, it'll show you different views that you can use. I like thumbnails, but some people like poster wrap, fan art, media info. You just keep hitting your next button and it'll take you to whatever way you want to view your movies. I like the thumbnail method. So we'll go to that. Let's hit back. Now I'll show you what it looks like to view your TV shows. Click on that link. You see that your TV shows are by genre, certificate, most popular, returning shows, however you want to view it. If you have a particular show you want to watch, just go down to search and type it in. Let's just hit most popular here. You see it's working. So these are the different TV shows you can scroll through and see whatever you want. There's 3 pages here, 26 different items, or you can type in your own. I like Orange is the New Black. Let's click on it. You see that it shows all the seasons 1 through 3 here. So if you go to whatever season you want, click on it. It shows you all the different episodes from season 3. And the reason I like Genesis is because when you go next to the episode, it shows that it was aired on 6/12, episode number 3. Season number 3, episode 1. Then it just shows you all of the different things that each one of the shows is about. You can go to that. And another thing is even though we have 5 different add-ons there at the bottom, those aren't the only add-ons you can watch. You can go to your add-on link there, click on it, and you can see all of these are icons or add-ons that you can that you can go through and click on. Some of them work, some of them don't. I just picked the 5 most popular, or the 5 ones that I know that all the movies and the TV shows appear whenever I want to watch them. If you go to the next tab, it's music. It works the same way. You go down to radio, click on radio. You see, then it'll pull up. You can watch by local stations, top 100 stations. You can browse your music by genre. You can go to the city you want. If you want to listen to music out of Atlanta, it'll pull up the radio stations out of Atlanta. However you want to watch the music. And if you're a sports fanatic here, the next thing that I like to look at is back to videos here. You go to Sports Devil. On some it's called Digital Sports. They have a lot of different add-ons for sports and live sports. Click on it. It'll pull up the different things. You can look at your favorites. You can look at sport blogs. You can look at highlights from sporting events. If you want to watch live sports, you click on that, or your pay-per-view comes through your live sports. Then you pick whatever it is that you want to see here. Let's see. These are all the different places that you can watch your live sports. I like First Row Sports GE. Click on it. Then it gives you the different things that you can watch. I like WWE and UFC, so you'd go there, click on that. And right now, the only thing that's live is that shows you the TNA. But the thing is that when you click on these links, it has to actually be on TV right now. So if it's not on TV and you click on it, it's going to say no stream available. It gives you 3 different links to watch that from. I don't think that's on right now, but let's try one of the links. It'll say no stream available if that particular event isn't on. If you like the UFC events, you can watch that. If you like boxing, you can get the boxing fights, but you have to click on it when the fight is actually started. So that's how you watch live sports and your pay-per-view events. The last thing I'm going to show you here, let's go back to the main menu, is under Programs. Every time you watch movies, TV shows, or listen to music, temporary files are stored in the memory of your device. And the more temporary files stored in the memory, the slower new streams coming through are. Kind of like blood trying to flow through clogged arteries. So after you get done watching your device, either every day or every other day, either go to your maintenance tool. I like to use Mucky Duck's Wizards. Click on that. Then you want to go to maintenance. Click that. And it'll say delete cache. I've already deleted mine, but there may be 1 or 2 files in there. 1 file found. You want to click on yes. Do you want to delete cache? Yes. And then finish deleting cache. Yes. The second thing you want to do is delete all your packages. I shouldn't have any. So it says no, but it would tell you how many packages you want to delete. You want to hit OK. Then you're done. You want to do that, like I said, at least every other day, because the more you clear all your cache and clear all your temporary files out, the faster new data coming through and your processor can work. That keeps you from buffering or lagging when you're trying to watch movies and everything. Well, that's it for today's crash course. Thanks for tuning in. It's your boy, the Whiz Kid, aka Gadget Guru. Have a good one.